Hi friends, today we will solve a important question of digital electronics number system. Here it is given that this is the tens complement of this base 10 number. So we have to find x, y and z. This x, y and z. So for finding x, y and z, first we have to calculate tens complement of this base 10 number. If you don't know how to calculate uh, tens complement, nines complement or r's complement or r minus 1 complement, please refer 6 video of this playlist. So going forward, first we have to calculate tens complement of this number. For finding tens complement, first we have to calculate uh, r minus 1 means nines complement of this number. For finding nines complement, divide every digit to 9. So 9, 9, 9, 9. Y, Z, Y, Z, 9, 0. So divide every digit from 9. So it is 9, this one 9 minus Z, this is 9 minus Y, this is 9 minus Z, and this one is 9 minus Y. So this is the ninth complement of the uh, given number. And for finding tens complement, simply we have to add 1 in the ninth complement. So this will be 0, uh, 9 plus 1 minus Z. 9 plus 1 it becomes 0 and 1 carry. So this one will be added with this term. And rest will be same. So we have given that this is the tens complement of this number. So this number will be same as this thing. So equate these two number. This is 3, this is 6, this is x, uh, this is 7, and this one is the 0. So by equating both, we can find the x, y and z value. So 9 minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6. 9 minus z is equal to 6. Therefore, z is equal to 9 minus 6, 3. It means z is equal to 3. Mm, After that, 9 minus y is equal to x. So uh, x is equal to 9 minus y value is 6. So write 6 here equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. So we are able to find y is equal to 6, z is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3. This is the answer, and when we will put x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 6, uh, it will satisfy, and tens complement of this number will be uh, this number. So I think you will understand it very well. If you understand it very well, like this video and share this with your friend. Thank you.